Hello everyone, this is Pragya Sutpati. I am going to explain how sorting works in Power Apps using sort icons. In my previous video, I have already explained how filtering and sorting work together for the Power Apps gallery having different columns from SharePoint list. So let's build together, but first my introduction. In this video, I will explain how to sort the Power Apps gallery dynamically. For this, I will use a sort icon. So let me add a sort icon for user identification. In my previous video, I have already explained how to sort the gallery by a single column. So for now, this gallery is sorted by ID. When we sort any data, always we have two constraints by which column we want to sort the data and what should be its sort order. So for this, let's create two variables on the app on stat. So let me go to the app on stat and I will declare here two variables set var sort all. It's for the column which I want to sort first. In my case, the first one is ID column. Second one, I will declare the variable for the direction, that is var sort direction, and it may be ascending or I will picking this descending. So descending will be my default sorting order. We need to set these variables, but we are editing this application now. So click on this three dots on the app object and run on stat. By this, the variables are set. So let me go to my screen. On the icon control, on the on select property, set the two variables like this. First, I will set this var sort call to ID and the sort direction will be if the ascending, then make it descending. Now copy and paste the sort icon by which column you want to sort. So next I will sort by task name column. So in this case, on the on select property, I will change this column name to task name and you can sort by start date and you can sort by task end date also. Yes, I have changed the column name to task end date and similarly in the task start date, change the column name to task start date. So let's see now the item property of the gallery. So as I mentioned earlier, the task list gallery is sorted by the ID and it is descending order. So let's make it dynamic by setting the variable var sort all and let's make the sorting order to setting the variable var sort direction. Now we'll check by playing the application. Let's see. So if I click on the ID column, it is sorting based on ID column, first descending, then ascending. Similarly, if I click on the task name column, first it is sorting by descending order, then it is ascending order. Similarly, by task start date and task end date. The sorting is working dynamically, but now we can give the user a better experience to know which column is sorted and which is the sort order. For this, let's check the icon property of the sort icon. So here it is the icon dot sort. So the formula is if the variable, that is var sort column, is not equals to id, then we will have icon dot sort, and if the sort direction is equals to ascending, then we will have the arrow up icon, and otherwise the descending will be arrow down icon. Change the icon property of all the columns, like here I have changed the task name for the task name column. Similarly, for the task start date, change the icon property to task start date, and similarly for the task end date. Now, when I play the application, now we can see that the task list is sorted by task end date and it is ascending order. That's why the arrow is up. When I click this, the task list will be sorted by descending order and the arrow will be down. If I click on the ID column now, the task end date will have the normal sort icon and the ID column is ascending order and it will be up arrow. I hope this video will definitely useful for you to implement this on your application. So stay tuned with me for more tips and tricks on Power Apps. Thank you for watching.